Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, and it is June 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, we cannot deny that the US dollar is definitely still in a downtrend. Now, if we get an engulfing move to the upside and a break to the upside, then I definitely will be happy to start looking for longs on the dollar. But as of right now, I mean, the fact that we don't have an engulfing, we don't have a higher low, we have no reason whatsoever to believe that this is not going to potentially go down more. I have to continue to trade with the trend. There's no evidence otherwise telling me to start looking for longs on the dollar. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. Now, if this move up right here is only a pullback to this last move down, which it definitely could be, then we would expect to see a double top at a Fibonacci level, which we just had. We would also expect to see price to go down and break structure with momentum. There's a big difference between a momentum break of structure, well, like that, and a rejection of structure, which often looks like this. It will break structure, then almost instantly reject it. If we get a rejection of structure, that definitely isn't confirmation of a move down. If anything, it might even be confirmation of a move up. If we get a nice push down, a nice push and hold below structure, like momentum move, then that definitely would get me back to looking for shorts, which I'm looking for shorts anyways, because the higher time frames, the daily time frame and up, are definitely still in a downtrend. So until proven otherwise, I am looking for shorts on the US dollar index via the US dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.